Good morning, everybody. This is Keith, Katie's Bass Kicking Adventures. It is Saturday, September 24th, my 43rd birthday. So I am out here at Lake Keoma doing some fishing. Had to wait a little bit to put the camera on simply because, as you can see, it's really misty and foggy today. But I've only been here for maybe 20 minutes and I've already got 2 fish. So I figured go ahead and turn the camera on and see how it comes out. So hope you guys enjoy. Water temp's currently about 67 degrees, so it's cooled off quite a bit these last couple days since fall has hit. So I'm hoping they're moving up shallow and gonna start feeding up and go from there, but we will see what today brings. In the upper 50s to start off this morning. So, well, actually I should say middle 50s. It was about 53, 54 on the truck when I pulled in. So we will hope for the sun to come out and burn all this mist and fog off and give us another beautiful day out here at Keoma. Starting today, my fish count was 362. And as I said, I've already got 2, so I'm up to 364. So my goal, at least for today, is to get close to 400. I know it's a hefty goal, but probably be out here till about 12:30, 1 o'clock. Then the wind's supposed to pick up into the teens on a more consistent pace. Right now it's 5 to 6 with 12 to 14 mile an hour gusts possible, but don't feel it yet. It's not all that bad. It's got a little bit of a wind, but I think we'll be all right. Going my old route here, where I go along the north side of the lake, down the west side to the west cove, and around down to the south cove. I call it the People Cove and Non-People Cove, and so I'll start in the Non-People Cove, because there's really not a lot of bank access over there, but so I should be able to hit some laydowns and see if there's some fish hanging out in those areas, and then I will go hit the docks and things like that. So hoping for a good day, especially a wonderful birthday present. So 20 to 30 fish would be pretty amazing. More than that would be even better, but I'll take what I can get today. Got one. Oh yeah. Where you going, little guy? Where you going? Oh, you're not so little. You're a decent fish for me. Right in the top of the mouth. See that hookup? Right there in the top of the mouth. Even though it just came out. Number 3 on the morning. Nice little guy, right about a pound. Thank you. 365. Throw up here one more time before I move it out. Oh, another one. Oh, he just spit it. It's quiet going underneath the tree, but not so quiet coming out. So I got the 6 cents super sack this month, the premium sack, and it was phenomenal. It's $36.99 a month, and you typically get about $50 worth of baits in your sack. Well, this month they took care of us, and one of the baits alone was the trace. Well, that goes for $34.99 on their website alone, and they sent a frog as well as one of their exclusive new baits as well. So pretty happy with this month's sack. They're finally giving us some different stuff other than some crankbaits and plastics, so it was a very good sack. But I promised my first mate Buck that I will not be throwing the trace until he is around, because he wants to see what kind of fish it will catch. I said big ones, so I will wait till he's around before I throw that, just so he can see if I catch something. Even though it's very really tempting to throw it today. Oh, no fish. Thought I just let it go in the grass. Number 4. Oh, just a tree. Damn. Oh, I was excited there by the way it hit, but I can see why now, because, well, it was a big branch. I'm so excited, and I don't know why. I think it's a fish, but it was just a tree limb. Oh, to show you what I got, guys. This is the trace swim bait they gave me. 6-inch slow sinking. I'll show you. Nice little bluegill color. I think it's called Cajun bluegill. Yep, Cajun gill. So that'll be a fun one to throw around here eventually. It doesn't always take a large fish to eat those either. Just a very ambitious fish. Jump out again, I dare you. Not very big. Like numero 5. Up in there. Well, that was hit it as soon as it hit the water. It's a little bit better one too, so we'll hope this one stays on. Loosen the drag a little bit so we're not horsing it in. Stay down until you get to me. Stay down until you get to me. There we are. How you doing, buddy? A little bit better one. Let's see what this guy measures just for the fun of it. Almost a keeper. 14 and a half. Thank you. Alright, that looks like a nice little loaded up spot. I think this is lucky 7. Number 8 is great. Number 9, 1 away from double digits. Get over here, Mr. Top of the Head. That's where you want to hook them, right through the top. That does not come out as easy. All right. 372. We've hit 10 for today. I only know that because the counter's keeping track. Oh. I stopped and he just played with it, and all of a sudden it, whoop. Sorry about the eyeball, dude. Got him in the eyeball. So I thought I had it on recording, and apparently I did not. So you guys missed quite a few fish, I think. I'll have to see when I start editing, but damn, that sucks. I have to get that figured out. That's a couple times now where I've done that. Looks like it's starting to record, it's not. So about 2 hours of nothing. Wonderful. Yeah, but you're recording for this one. Booyah. Yeah, buddy. Right? Yes, yes. All right. Here's a way better one. Let's get a weight on this bad boy. You can tell just by the thickness of his jaw. All right. 2.57. All right. About frickin' time. Get a photo for the wife. It's, well, the best fish so far. All right, buddy. Let's go ahead and get a release on you. Just because you're all feisty. And away he goes. Okay. Let's do that again. Forward some so this can go down there. Okay.
Remind Scotty how old I am, okay? Remind him how old I am.
Oh, gotta click the clicker. 379. Well, I was gonna attempt to use other stuff here today, but it's hard to get away from this when it works. Like now, as I catch one. Ooh, it feels pretty good too, actually. Another decent. Ugh. For the heck of it, let's just throw them on the scale. Fish number 20 on the day. 1.65. Nice little guy. Thank you. Have a nice day. 382. Felt kind of funky, but okay. Let's just keep doing what we're doing. Oh. Thought that was a fish, maybe. I know there's another fish up in here. I just feel it. I may have to switch back over to the not so fun worm to get back up in there. Yep, there it is. Told you there was a fish there. I called it. Just call me Babe Ruth, the great fish Keitho. Nice chunky little guy. Get up in there again. Get back out. The worm. Let me throw the worm up in there and see what's shaking, bacon. Number 380. Wave to the camera like you're doing. Hello. Thank you. Oh, 381. Sorry. Another good one. Turn you off. Throw a weight on this guy for the fun of it. .76, so £1.75. Nice little guy. I knew you were under the dock. I knew you were under the dock. Got you. Got you where I want you. Little guy. You got a bigger friend in there? Mm-hmm. Let's see about this side of the boat. Yeah. Nope. At any rate. Oh. No. Well, Kioma, you've been wonderful for me again today. Up to 22 fish, and there's still a little bit of bank to go. Happy birthday to me. Yeah, we'll keep it going on one. This today. Little chubby guy. Well, today was a good day. I think we finished the day at 385, started at 362, so that's what, 23 fish? Not a bad day for my birthday. Pretty good, way to, last week of September we still have, so I might be able to get out once or twice more this week before October hits, but hey, it was a good day. Out for quite a few hours. It's now 1:55, so you figure from a little after 7 to 1:55. Not a bad little day. So thank you for tuning in. If you liked the video, please hit subscribe and like that like button, and we will try to get our numbers up, get up higher in the algorithms, the old YouTube game. So thank you for tuning in once again. Have a wonderful day.